Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking out to get Minecraft on Android legally for free and without paying upfront, in today's video we are gonna guide you through the process. So let's just dive right in and get started. So the best and the safest option available is going to your Google Play Store. So go to Play Store and search Minecraft there. So type in Minecraft and look out for the game available there. This is the official game of Minecraft. So we can see this application right here is something we need to pay for, and it is not available for free. So if you're trying to download Minecraft for free, we cannot do it because usually if someone is saying it's free, it is usually pirated or it's cracked APKs, and that's very illegal and unsafe. So it's better if you do not follow that process and follow this process instead. So you can instead buy it. Sometimes there may be offers. I can tap on the offers and then buy it. For that, look out for this download option, and you can add up your credit or debit card, provide in your necessary details and download it. Sometimes even you can just go over and look out for the trial option. So if there's a trial option instead, you can look out for those and sign in with your Microsoft account, and we can play the official Minecraft trial, but it is very limited play time and most of the features are locked, but the gameplay is real Minecraft. Apart from that, what you can do is you can go to their official site as well. If not this, you can head over to a browser and directly type in Minecraft. And once you find their official site, you can tap on it and basically head over to their official site and look out for it and tap on buy option. If there's trial available, you can try out the trial from this section as well and use it up. So that is it, everybody. We hope this information was helpful to you. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.